Okay, so if you have one of these Kohler Command 27s, one of these bad boys right here, and you're getting fuel to the engine, you have a good carburetor, you have good spark, you have good compression, you have all the stuff it needs to run, but it still is not working and it's backfiring through the carburetor, then what you need to do is take the flywheel off and check the flywheel key, because that's what I just found out why this thing wouldn't run. I couldn't wrap my head around it, and I just took the flywheel key off, or I took the flywheel off, and the flywheel key was sheared, and it wouldn't spark at the right time. So, and that's why I'm making this video, because I can't figure out, or I couldn't find anybody else with the same problem. But if you've got spark, fuel, good carburetor, enough oil in the engine, everything you need to have the engine run. Okay, if you have spark, compression, fuel, and everything else that this engine needs to run, but it still won't run, and it's backfiring out of these holes right here, or the intake holes, and it still won't run, it's probably that flywheel key that sheared off, and it won't hit the magneto at the right time. So I'm gonna get everything back together, go find me a flywheel key, and this sucker should run.